तू यारी तालावी जैनी भूखी तेरे तो सांभनी नहीं होनी दिल टूटे अच मेरे तो यारी तालावी जैनी भूखी तेरे तो सांभनी नहीं होनी दिल टूटे अच मेरे तो Being my friend was your choice. Staying one was mine. We use the word friend so casually at times. Even I do, but without realizing that true friendship have to be earned. You know, what matters is we keep the promise of friendship as long as possible. Friendship is not just about sharing joys, but holding each other's heart in the times of sorrows. Trust me, a true friend can give a new meaning to your life, and sometimes breaths to the life itself, and heartbeats to the heart itself. Isn't it special that how a few friends come with a invisible bandage and just fix that broken heart of yours with just love and care, and sometimes a little jokes mixed in those funny moments, isn't it? So yeah, friendship is from sharing lunch boxes to sharing each other's heart, from fighting with each other to defending each other behind the back. The bond of true friendship goes through a lot, actually a lot. It takes years to build that beautiful bond which holds a special power to fill your heart with joy and eyes with those happy tears during any point of time. Trust me, you are blessed, so blessed if you have even a single true friend whom you can rely upon for the rest of life, whom you can look upon. Like, at least he or she won't leave you when you need that person to be there for you. And this is special, very special, something only our heart can understand. That devil come angel actually adds sparkle to the beautiful moments of your life. But hold on, as much as earning a true friend is amazing, being a true friend is also important. Just don't just call someone your friend. Be there for them when they need you, like selflessly. Being a true friend is difficult, very difficult. But again, it is must and important. You owe at least this much to that special idiot. Be that idiot knows you more than you know yourself. And how amazing is this to have that person with you? It is like another form of, like, I can't even describe in words. It is that pure bond. At the same time, I would also like to apologize if I ever fail to be a true friend. Trust me, I try my best though. But yes, sometimes things don't go according to the plans. So yeah, and also like to thank all the true friends I've been blessed with throughout the journey of this life. They mean a lot to me, a lot and a lot to me. Seriously. Okay, though I believe Friendship Day is not meant to be celebrated just one day, friendship is something which is meant to be cherished every single day of your life. The bond of friendship should be celebrated through the smiles, through the tears, through the shared feelings and emotions, like raw emotions. And but still, okay, a happy Friendship Day to all my wonderful friends. And yes, I'll try my best to be there for you whenever you need me, as long as possible. And that's my promise of friendship. Yeah. And last but not the least, I would like to read out a very special write up by my younger sister. It is nothing is more beautiful than a heart which understands. If you have found it, then make sure you keep it forever and ever. Thank you for listening me. A very happy Friendship Day to you all once again, and I hope it was worth it. If you want me to read your original write-ups in my videos, then do leave that in the comments. I would read it out for you and also give you the credit for the same. And thank you once again. Here I am signing off. Mahima Dua.